Alright, so Jillian is home. She's in the shower. Probably can hear the music. She's just waiting, well, not waiting, she's taking a shower so she can go out to the bus station and meet her friend who's coming in for the night from out of town. And I'm waiting for Kim. We're gonna go get our tattoo designs sorted out. And I'm in love with my makeup look from today. It's all the new stuff that I bought yesterday, all of it. What is it? The Makeup Forever that I bought, the 3 little shadows. And I bought the new, or well, for me, and I bought the NARS, it's the Laguna and the Orgasm. It is gorgeous. I love it so much. And then my new brush too for my bronzer, the number 30 from Sephora. Ah, it's so nice. I just, you know, you buy new stuff, you're gonna have to try it out. So I thought, I'm like, all 3 of those colors, I wasn't sure if they would work together, but they do. I put the brown color on my whole lid, and then the purple in the corner, and then the light pinky color just like in the corner here. But anyways, whatever. I love my makeup look today. I absolutely, really like it. Now I'm just gonna figure out what boots I wanna wear. And Kim should be here soon, and we will head out. I'm gonna return those boots that Jillian hates and thinks are stupid and ugly, so I'll return those. And I'm feeling so, oh, pills, I gotta take a pill. I'm feeling a lot better today. Ha ha ha. Pills, gotta go take pills. So we came to Mongolian Village to eat lunch today, and we got our fortune cookies, and we're so excited because we're like, it's gonna tell us, you know, what we're gonna do today. And then this happened. So this is mine. It says you're 1 in a million. That makes me feel so special. And then Kim
I'm 1 in a million.
is 1 in a million too. Thanks a lot, Mongolian Village.
Thanks a lot,
So now we're gonna be off to the, I guess, the tattoo place to go get some designs sorted out to see what we want to do. And we're excited.
And then we're gonna buy some eyeshadow.
Because girl is jealous of what's going on here today. This, yeah, look at it. Look at it. That's right. So the mission now is to find where the tattoo place has been moved to. So we're heading to New Moon.
Found it.
You found it already?
Yeah, it's right there.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see it.
Right there.
Oh, it's a weird little house thing.
It's a house now instead of a store.
That's weird. All right, we're heading into a house that does tattoos. That's weird. I've never been in a tattoo place like that.
Either. Because I've only been to the one over there.
There's another one over there?
Yeah, it's called Soulful Creations.
Well then. All right, well, let's go check this place out.
This is a horrible.
So someone decided to get a little bit of a makeover. Not a major one though. She's like, just add to my face already.
I don't even buy any more foundation.
No.
Shit ton of it at home.
Yeah. What's on me?
Just a thread.
Okay, Kim got her makeup done. Now she's got red hooker lips, but they looks good. You need to buy. Oh, you're so Marilyn.
I don't know how to pose with my
So
makeup.
Marilyn. Girl did my lipstick too, just because I never wear lipstick. So she did my lipstick, and made me sad about myself because she went. What?
Drive up.
Because she went so high with the lip liner on my lips because I have a very small upper lip. So she had to make some for me. That makes me feel sad. But I like the color. It's cute. Anyways, too dark to vlog now.
That's not.
Yeah, it is.
Excuse me.
I guess if we leave the car light on.
I don't even
It may be too loud to vlog though if this one doesn't stop burping and farting. Not farting.
Farting.
Burping and hiccuping. Just keep it there. Okay, where are we going now?
Nerds.
Wow.
Damn.
Back from being out with Kim, we've got our appointments booked for next week. I guess 10 days from now. 10 days from now, Tuesday the 16th. Yeah, we have our appointments booked for our tattoos. Mine's gonna be kind of big. It's gonna take a little while because I'm booked in at 4:30. And Kim is booked in at 6:30 with the same guy. So he's anticipating my tattoo taking a couple of hours. But either way, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be expensive, but I mean, I've been wanting it for years and finally doing it. Also, went shopping again a little bit today. But the only reason I went back to Sephora is that I woke up this morning to a lovely email from Sephora saying, hey, it's been a great year. Thanks for shopping with us. Go spend $50 in the next few days. We'll give you $20 off. Obviously, you go spend $50 if you're only going to pay $30 for it. So I got another palette like the one that I bought yesterday with 3 different colors in it. So I got to put those together. And at Forever 21, I just bought a pair of like black skinny jeans and a couple of tops and a little bit of jewelry. I don't know. I mean, I need new clothes anyways. I'm wearing the same stuff over and over and over again. I need new clothes. So these are necessities. So don't judge me. I'm in love with these colors so much. Like, honestly, the lighting here doesn't do them justice, but that one's kind of like a greeny color. That one's kind of like a browny, purpley color. And then, hello, just black and sparkly. The sparkles, there's like purple sparkles in it and stuff too. So I can't wait to try these out tomorrow. And then my 2 new MAC brushes, the 217 and the 219. So excited to use those as well. I'm just gonna put all my crap away, and I don't know, I bought some new clothes today, so maybe I'll try one of my new outfits tomorrow for work, but I'm not sure. Long day. Like, I haven't even put any of the stuff away yet that I bought yesterday either, and now I've just added to the pile. Alright, that's gonna be the end of my night. I gotta go wash off all my makeup, just did my nails again. Gotta clean that up too, and I'm gonna watch a couple more episodes of Sons of Anarchy, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Jillian should be home in a couple of hours, I guess, so I'll be, waiting up for her in bed, lights off, trying not to fall asleep. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So excited. Like 10 days cannot pass soon enough so that I can go get my new tattoo. Kim is super excited. It's like the best way to spend your birthday, obviously. Well, we're getting the tattoos the day before her birthday because they were all booked up the day of her birthday. So that kind of sucks, but just means that we'll go out on that day and do our tattoos, and then we can still go out on the day of her birthday and do stuff too. Anyways, good night.